In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to join the Toilet Tower Defense Discord server in a few simple steps. The Toilet Tower Defense server is a community where players of the game can chat and connect with other players. To get started, open up the Discord mobile app and then tap on the back arrow at the top left corner of the screen. Then tap on the plus button. And then tap on the Join a Server button. What you want to do next is tap here and type in this exact invite link. discord.gg/ capital S, lowercase r, lowercase n, capital Q, lowercase t, 2, lowercase y, capital D, lowercase e, capital Z. This is the invite link. Once you type that in, tap on this button to join the Toilet Tower Defense Discord server. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.